So we are going on an adventure, and I'll explain more when we get on the truck. We got the trailer all hooked up, and see you guys in a second. So we, as in Pat and I, we have decided to just go drive to Maryland to hang out for a night. And we have the trailer, so I think we're gonna pick something up, but I know what it is, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. And you guys are gonna have to wait like a whole bunch of time to see what it is until we get there.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait like 8 to 9 minutes.
8 to 9 minutes. I'm gonna try to keep it around 3.
Alright.
We're gonna make it in Maryland in 3 minutes starting now. So we made it to our first stop, getting some fuel, which we already did. Got some food, filling up a tire on the trailer because it's a little low, and we're gonna keep going on the road. It's kind of hard to see anything, and truck's probably really loud, but it's really dark, so the clip you just saw is probably not that good, but we're gonna keep on trucking.
Never touch nothing.
So the valve stem was leaking, but Pat knows things, so he fixed it and we put a cap on it. So we're good to go now. So remember how I said I didn't know anything about wiring in the last video? Now I have to know. The trailer decided to drop the cord and rub against the ground, so now I've been cutting it, and Pat used my knife to cut it. It's kind of cold, by the way. We're in North Carolina. And yeah, so we're gonna ghetto rig this to try to make it into town, because we don't have electrical tape, but we're gonna make this work, and I'm gonna start doing that now. Should I just tie them all together?
Make sure they all touch.
Yep. That's what we're gonna hit the lotto and buy a whole bunch of those things. So I finished ghetto rigging it up, and we have lights. Sweet. It worked for now. So we made it to AutoZone. Oh, there's no sign. Advanced Auto Parts, sorry. We're gonna go buy some things and maybe some stuff to fix this thing. 10, 12.
I think that's it.
Electrical tape.
Yeah.
That's it.
Let's see if they have a bigger. We should need more than one roll, right?
No, I mean, it's 60 feet in here. If we need that much electrical tape, there's a problem. That for you?
Yeah.
1282. Hmm.
718. You want a back for that one?
No, it's alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, have a good one.
You too. So we got the proper-ish stuff to fix this. I'm not going to bother showing you guys. I'm just going to undo what I did and crimp everything the right way. So
Cool.
then we'll be driving in 15 seconds. So we have fixed the trailer situation and now we're going to continue our drive. So yeah, about that. See how long this thing lasts. So we've made it to the final fuel stop before we get to where we're going. And Pat's brushing his teeth. Gotta keep the hygiene up while on the road. So we're almost there. So as we're going through traffic, we can see things and stuff. Things and stuff. The Washington Monument and the Lincoln Monument. Memorial.
I think that's what they call it. I could be wrong.
And the White House is somewhere over there in that area, I guess. Okay. Let's get off to Sketchy Bridge.
I think it's like... He's right there!
Donald Trump's driving by.
Donald! He's driving.
No,
It's Trump's
he's
America.
riding by.
No, it's Trump's America. He can drive now. It's Trump's America. Anything's possible in Trump's America. I'm joking, by the way.
Yes, complete joke. But that probably was Donald Trump.
Donald!
So, we made it to where this car is located. Well, here it is. It's S15 with an SR20 DET, and it's a little rough, but it's a drift car, so it's like not a big deal. We've already talked details and everything like that. Pat has with the guy that's selling it, so there's not much like looking around. I got a couple shots that I'll put in now. Of the car now with the lighting and all that, which Pat's gonna start posting on his YouTube channel. He will be pretty much doing a video series on the transformation on this car and what's gonna happen to it within a very few short weeks, because we have a surprise for you guys. So we came to visit MA Motorsports. There's no one here.
No,
but what do we have?
we have an S15.
Well,
I have an S15.
He has an S15. Yeah. We just both are here right now. Well, I showed you guys what it looks like a little bit. Obviously, it's not going to look like that at all very soon. So Pat can actually tell you what you can do to see what he's going to do to it.
Yep. Basically gonna start a vlog for the S15. So not about me, not about really what I do, but just about the S15. Kind of a different thing. So many people are doing it about themselves and what they do. I want to do it about the car, and I think it'll be pretty neat because I definitely have some really cool engine plans for it eventually.
So with that being said, I'm gonna put his YouTube channel right here, right under his face, so you guys can go subscribe to him and keep up with everything that is gonna happen to the S15. We'll see you guys next time. My camera is gonna die. I might try to charge the battery, maybe catch some clips of driving home, but we're going back to Florida. 14-hour drive and starts now. See you guys next time.